Hello. Today let's take a look at this Yenkee USB and Bluetooth wireless rechargeable mouse. It costs only $25 and offers a lot of features. First of all, it has 3 wireless solutions, a USB stick and 2 Bluetooth memories, which means you can use it with 3 devices without any problems. This mouse uses the PIXART PAW3212 ultra-low power wireless mouse chip. This chip provides 3 sensitivity options, 1000, 1600 and 2400 dots per inch or DPI. This mouse also has a built-in rechargeable battery with 500 milliampere capacity. The Yenkee promises a working time of about 90 hours, charging time from 2 to 3 hours. The mouse uses Bluetooth version 5.2. Cool that the mouse is equipped with a USB-C type socket. The socket is in a handy place and the mouse can be used as wired while it is charging. The only thing I don't like about this mouse is that the side forward and back buttons are not programmable, as on more expensive mice the side buttons can be programmed to change function. But still, you have to remember that this wireless mouse costs only $25 and delivers so much features. In the next video I'll show you how to easily connect Bluetooth mouse to laptop with Windows 10. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video.